One of my favorite contributions when I was working on Toy Story 2 was a scene where Woody learned that he was a famous cowboy doll from the 50s. And initially the script had him walking around all of these props, and they said, hey, you were a famous cowboy doll, and this was your TV show. And we got together with the story team and we realized this is really boring. It was people standing around talking. And meanwhile, you had a whole room full of toys. So we discussed it and we said, why don't we just come up with kind of a ripoff, which, in Hollywood, it's a, homage and stealing is a very blurry line. But we said, well, this is Tom Hanks. Why don't we just do something like that Tom Hanks did in the movie Big, where he's playing on the giant piano and he's jumping on the big piano keys. It was a kind of a famous scene from that movie. And we said, what if he actually is playing with all of these items? If the story is about playing is better than sitting in a museum, then he's supposed to represent playing and the importance of play. So we had him run through and just start playing with all these items and everyone telling him no. And so that actually illustrated the point of the story visually, even if you didn't even hear what they were talking about at all.